Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm back with another journal video. This one I hope you guys will enjoy. I am going to give away 4 journal niches that you can get started in today. The competition is super low. I know you guys are always looking for ideas, so I want to give you guys this journal niche, right? So if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that notification bell and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video to give me a little bit more push out here in the YouTube world. Leave a comment down below if you are going to try one of these niches out, and let's jump into the video. So I know for a fact that you can make money in these niches because I myself has made money in these niches. I'm not going to say I made thousands of dollars, but I have made some sales from this niche, and it's all about like the movie world, Hollywood. Oh, I want to be an actor. I'm going to Hollywood to be famous. Yes, everyone has said that once in their life, that they were going to move to California and go to Hollywood and be in a movie, right? I know you said it when you were a child, right? So there are people behind the scenes, right? There are the screenwriters. Screenwriters are becoming more and more popular nowadays. More people are learning who is behind the screen, writing these amazing pilots and movies and shows that are coming out on TV. And look at this. 1,000 search results for Screenwriter Journal. There's probably a few in here that are mine. But look at this. Super simple journals that can be sold. They are selling. I'm not going to say they sell in thousands, but they are selling. Of course, you can see that here. They are definitely selling. So you can jump on in here. A lot of these books have ranks. Okay. A lot of them have been ranked on the Amazon affiliate. So this is a step-by-step technology of plot. This is, of course, sponsored. So we're not going to get into that, but it's selling really well. Another book, How to Write Great Characters, that's sponsored as well. It's probably not a journal though. So things are selling in this category. So you can jump in there. Another one is a casting call journal. So it's only like 139 search results. So if you could create an amazing calendar, like a book like this, for someone to keep in contact or keep up with their casting calls, no matter what type of casting calls it is, I think it will be a really good book, a log or something that they need to get information. So if you have some insight. Also, casting call audition journal, just for someone to keep track. You can also do this like a diary. So, like the casting call journal, journey journal or something like that. So a few of these are selling. Not going to say this is going to make you a ton of money, but these are niches that you can get into. Okay, best casting director ever. Look, you can flip that around and make it a gift. That one has not sold yet, but it has potential. Okay. All of this has potential. And then the other 2 would just be the actress and actor journal. So you see here for the actress journal, they have about 303 search results for that word alone. Okay. So there's some here that has actual reviews and they are selling. Okay. Again, like I said, I don't know how much these are selling. You can use one of your research tools to do that, but they are selling. So it could, again, get in there. You can turn it around and make it gifts for actresses, your actor friends. You can make gag gifts for your friend who you think is a drama queen and she acts like an actress. There's a lot of ways that you can actually flip this around. And then we have the actor journal, which has actually 1,000 search results, but still not bad. Here's a really good one. It says actor gift publishing. So they figured it out. They understood that, okay, there's not a lot of people in here, but I can make a whole entire actor gift publishing name and do something with it here. So They are selling, and that is really nice. Here's a manifestation journal. How about that? Because this is us. This is all of us driving to Hollywood claiming that we were going to be an actor when we were younger. So these are really good. Again, this is a really good bunch, like this crew of niche to get into. You can even go a little bit further and think about the crew who is on a movie set, the directors, the people who do the lights, even like PAs, personal assistants, anybody who you can think of, wardrobe, makeup artists, costume directors. All of these people need gifts, right? All of them may need something. That costume director may need a sketchbook to sketch out different things. A screenwriter might need a scene by scene journal to draw out scenes. So if you can create something for these people who are consistently bringing us stuff to our television, I think you can do well in these niches. Again, I'm not telling you that these niches are going to make you thousands of dollars, but they have great potential. It's always about who is the first. All you got to do is make one winning journal in one of these niches, and that's it. Okay. So I hope this was helpful. I am giving away these niches. I'm not bound by them. These are niches that I've used. And again, like I said, I've made some money in. So if you want to have at it, go ahead and do it. Get in there, see what you can come up with, research the niche, research the industry, and I hope you have a lot of success with these niches. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any more questions about journals, interiors, anything, leave them down in the comments section below. If you have any ideas of journal videos you would like to see, leave those down as well. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.